Hi, this is Deb Sinkus from Polished Geek. I'm pleased to introduce you to our Priority Cards app for Monday.com. Priority Cards is a unique way to visualize and prioritize any of the items on your board. So is Priority Cards right for you? Well, if you are struggling to rank and prioritize work inside of Monday.com, it could be the perfect fit. Maybe you tried using a vote column, or maybe you tried using the star column, but they're just too simplistic for your needs. And perhaps after realizing that votes and stars don't cut it, you built a Monday board with columns for your favorite prioritization framework, including a scoring model. Yet when you try to discuss and prioritize board items with your team, you're faced with new frustrations, such as not being able to sort by score across the entire board, only within each group. Priority Cards solves all these problems with a fun and flexible new way to see your work. The Priority Cards app for Monday.com can be used across your entire organization: business development, conversion rate optimization, product management, risk management, and of course, project and portfolio management. Priority Cards supports any score-based decision-making framework. However you choose to prioritize your work, as long as it has a scoring model, it will work beautifully with Priority Cards. Let's look at some of Priority Cards' simple but powerful features. Choose to see cards on your board for only items that are fully prioritized and ready for discussion, only items that are not prioritized yet, or everything all at once. Sort your entire board by priority score, regardless of what group the item is in. You can use the latest Monday.com filtering feature and exclude any groups you don't want to see. Color and label your cards by any status column. Keep team meetings focused and productive. Each card includes quick links to the card item, up to 2 different link to item columns, your prioritization ranking factors, and conversation updates. Divide your card view by groups or any status or people column. And there's a beautiful dark mode, so easy on the eyes for that long remote team meeting on Zoom. Plus a whole lot more. Check out the More with Monday YouTube channel, and you can see detailed walkthroughs of every Priority Cards feature. Give Priority Cards a try today.